So verbal ability seems to be a problem for this particular countdown cat. Something had to be a problem. So verbal ability was an issue here. I think the paragraph jumble questions, the sentences were too long and you could not know how to navigate the whole thing. Let's look at the order in which the question came. The first one had just 14% accuracy. So, which means that this actually troubled the whole thing. So let's start. So the what you can focus on if you uh, 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 if if you have this long sentences, the one thing that you can look at is the first few part. Put your eyes on the first few parts, and then look at what that sentence is trying to say. So this first one talks about, when you look at the first one, this talks about the fact that the countries include. So which means for this particular sentence, what is needed is that some reference to some countries. And then and the second part talks about which are those countries that it includes: India, Nigeria, and the Philippines, and much of the sub-Saharan Africa. So the key thing that you would want, a key word is want to look at the countries include. So which means from before this particular sentence, what I want to see is some reference to some countries. So let's talk about experts believe that 1 billion children live in 33 countries. Now you see these 33 countries here. Okay, not only that, when you look at the second part of the sentence, so therefore you can probably see that there's a reference to that countries. The second part of the sentence also say that facing 3 or 4 impacts simultaneously, 3 or 4 impacts. Which impacts? Which means this also requires something that needs to be talked about, some sort of impact needs to be talked. The report is first to combine high resolution map of climate environmental impact with maps of child vulnerability, such as poverty and this. So something talking about some report. Okay, fair enough. Nearly every children around the world is at risk from at least one of these impacts today, including one of these impacts today. So one problem about this uh, is paragraph jumble question is that every sentence seems to need something else. So I'm basically guessing that there might be someone who would have probably thought that let's look at sentence number 3 as a starting point and then move forward is what you would have uh, looked at it. Saying the report is the first to combine high resolution maps of climate environment impacts with maps of child vulnerability, such as poverty and this thing. So we have I think it's quite natural for someone to say that maps of climate and environmental impact with maps of child vulnerability, such as poverty. So what this sentence is actually telling us, so there are some climate and environment impact that has been linked to child vulnerability. So there is some reports has come created some maps that link these two things together. Some map is done. That is what sentence number 3 is saying. When sentence number 4 is referring to some one of at least one of these impacts today, at least one of these impact today, you are actually have to look at that particular sentence. Where is that these impact today? As this from at least one of these impact today, and actually when you look at this sentence closely, these impacts including uh, these this one, including these ones, these impacts today, at least from at least one of these impact today, which are these impact, at least one of these, which are what? Heat waves, floods, cyclone, disease, droughts. And another thing is that it's looking at this word, which is a report, and this one says the report. So when you have a report and then the article the report, it has to be starting with a and then going to the. So 3 also needs some support. So your starting point of this is not actually 3. The conversation starts going to 4. And once you get that in place, if you got 4 the start, connecting this is okay. I think that one of the mistakes that people would have made is to look at 3 to be the start. And there is I don't blame you for that. In that heat of the moment, you're looking at this very fast. You would have probably looked at these and connected that to here, but actually that sentence is not giving those impacts. And the key thing was to look at a report and the report, which means now let's start with the conversation. Once you understood that 4 is a starting point of the conversation, if you want to take a snapshot, you can take it now. You've taken it? All right, if you want to, by the way. So we can now look at this as a this now everything is fine, because then you start seeing the whole thing. You've got heat waves, floods, the lot of the impact, cyclones, disease, drought, pollution, and then experts believe that environmental experts. So the experts believe what? There are out of which 3 and 4 are impacted in 33 countries. Which are those 33 countries? These countries include those things, and then talking about what the report actually did. So your 4 to 2 to 1 is an absolute block, and then ending with a 3, because 3 cannot start the journey. Well, 3 is referring to the report which is already mentioned by a report by the environmental expert. So the answer choice is 4213. This was a tough one. And there is no doubt about this, but that is the answer choice. So those of you got 14% of those who got correct, congratulations. Well done, well done, well done. Another one which has got the same problem, which is about 16% accuracy itself. So let's read each sentence. So you've got about the first part. First I will look at first part, okay, and then see what is going on. Commercial shipping, okay, is a leading contributor. So we have got the word which says leading contributor to low frequency ocean noise worldwide. And then creating a problem, weakening the ability of bluefin and other endangered great whales to forage and breed in various, virtually every ocean basin in the world. So the commercial shipping is actually creating the lead to one particular problem, low frequency ocean noise. Okay. Biologists have likened low frequency ocean noise to smog because of the way it strings a perpetual world of whales, fish, and other marine life. So we can see there is at least a repetition of that particular word, low frequency ocean noise. Biology have likened that to smog because of this way it strings the perpetual world of whales and the marine life. Okay. Sound travels much faster and farther in salt water than in air. And this is the reason why whales and other marine animals depend on the hearing for many of their life's basic function, foraging. So sound is important. Sound is important for all these marine animals because they do a lot of basic function because of that. In the audio focus environment, man-made noises are a major threat. Now, in that environment, man-made noise is a major threat, as they drown out the sound of the marine animal rely on, causing an array of problems marine. So where the conversation is starting? Conversation is starting with 3. Sound is important for marine animals. And this talks about leading contributor to a problem, but what is the main general problem? General problem is the fact that man-made noise is a major threat, as they drown out man rely on, causing an array of problem for mass chronic, and so therefore that goes to 4. Then immediately I need to go and talk about the leading contributor of the particular problem. Who is the contributor? Commercial shipping is a problem. And then this one statement, they say biologists have likened that low frequency noise. Who is creating low frequency noise? Low frequency noise specifically is created by this commercial shipping. And then, so if you for sentence number 2 to exist in this conversation, we need to have some reference coming from here. Where is the linkage? I cannot go from 3 and 4 and then go to 2. Doesn't make any sense. 4 merely says that man-made noises are a problem. Man-made noise is a problem. Now, this is getting specific into low frequency ocean noise. But who is creating low frequency ocean noise? Which is commercial shipping. Who said, therefore, sentence number 2 to exist needs sentence number 1. That is the order, ladies and gentlemen. 3, 4, 1, 2 would be the answer to that question. Another toughie. But those we got this one correct. Well done, my friend.